Welcome to Camp EZ RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Today we're touring the 2026 Forest River RV Salem Hemisphere 380WDR. Outside, check out the storage compartments and an outdoor TV perfect for evening entertainment. Stepping inside, plush couch with cabinets above, plus reclining chairs invite you to relax. Then the TV over cozy fireplace with hidden cabinet behind it. A big fridge, plenty of kitchen cabinets, microwave above the stove. Kitchen table for family meals. Sink area loaded with cabinets below. Dishwasher for easy cleanup. And a deep pantry for all your supplies make cooking and meals super easy on every trip. Desk space adds work or play area, while the half restroom offers washer, dryer, and toilet. In the bedroom, comfy bed sits across from dresser with chair and mirror. Main restroom delivers shower, toilet, sink area, plus attached closet for extra storage. Smart layout for toys, kids, and parents, ideal for epic trips.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.